Hey friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look in this video. Top 10 profitable business ideas in poultry farming. The poultry farming industry in India provides a wide range of profitable business opportunities for entrepreneurs. Poultry farming does not refer only to chickens, but a wide array of commercially viable birds. However, products in the industry includes production of meat, eggs and feathers. The qualities of the person who starts the business determine the survival and profitability of a small-scale enterprise in the poultry farming industry. An individual must be a seeker of opportunities, by carefully scanning the needs of consumers and the entire poultry value system. To be able to support business growth, he must be persistent. These small-scale businesses with low to moderate investment have good entry point with some of the underlisted poultry industries. Here in this video, we listed the top 10 small business opportunities in poultry farming industry. 1. Equipment shop for poultry farming. This is one of the most profitable trades in the poultry farming industry. There are two ways to start a business. You can buy the materials from manufacturers and sell them through your own store. Alternatively, you can begin with a distributor or dealership agreement from a reputable company. Poultry cage, layer cage, breeder cage, poultry ventilation system, poultry environment control system, poultry cooling fan pad, poultry heaters, nipple drinking system, poultry controller systems, and other equipment are among the most popular. 2. Layer poultry farming for eggs. Layer poultry farming is the practice of raising egg-laying poultry birds for commercial egg production. Detailed project reports will be required for poultry farming schemes with very large outlays. The banks provide financial assistance for the construction of brood, grower and layer sheds, feed stores, and quarters, as well as the purchase of poultry equipment such as feeders, waterers, and brooders, as well as the creation of infrastructure items for the supply of electricity, feed, and water, among other things. 3. Frozen chicken meat processing. The demand for frozen chicken meat is rapidly increasing. In retail outlets, the product is extremely popular. Whole chicken with or without giblets, boneless breast, boneless legs, drumstick with skin, drumstick skinless, a whole leg with skin, a whole leg skinless, wings, and lollipop are some of the most popular frozen and chilled forms. 4. Duck farming with integrated fish farming. The main advantage of this type of farming is that the pond's surface can be used for duck raising. Fish ponds provide an excellent environment for ducks, preventing parasite infection. The daily waste of duck feed, approximately 20 to 30 gram, is used as fish feed in ponds or as manure, resulting in increased fish yield. Manuring is done by ducks and is distributed uniformly with no assistance from duck droppings. 5. Ostrich farming. Ostrich meat is the most nutritious alternative to traditional meat. It contains less fat, calories, and cholesterol than beef, chicken, or pork. Ostriches enable farmers to achieve higher and faster returns on investment. Ostrich eggs, meat, hide, leather, and feathers are extremely expensive and command high prices on both the domestic and international markets. You can also farm ostriches in a paddock alongside sheep, goats, and cattle. 6. Quails farming. Commercial quail farming entails commercially raising quails, along with other poultry birds, for the purpose of producing profitable eggs and meat, and quails are extremely small birds. Almost any type of weather can be used to start a quail farming business. Quail meat and eggs are both delicious and nutritious. 7. Pigeon farming. Pigeons are a domestic bird, and the business can be profitable with a small initial investment. The pigeon meat is extremely tasty and high in protein. A pigeon farm requires an open area for their movement. And a pigeon house requires very little space, typically, a room 12 by 10 inch in size is sufficient for a couple of pigeons. 8. Chicken hatchery. The term hatchery refers to the sector of the poultry farming industry that is involved in the production and supply of one-day-old chicks through artificial incubation. The day-old chicks are produced with the needs of the customer in mind. Under the ISI specification, the Bureau of Indian Standards has established specifications for day-old chicks. 9. Turkey farming. Turkey farming is an excellent business opportunity for small and medium-sized farmers. It is a very profitable enterprise. Turkey birds are raised solely for meat production and are not suitable for commercial egg production. Commercial turkey farming is gaining popularity in India as an alternative to chicken farming. Furthermore, the turkey farming industry is massive, and it is rapidly expanding as technology advances. 10. Organic manure production. Chicken wastes can be used to produce high-quality organic manure. The process of producing organic chicken manure fertilizer technology includes the selection of raw material chicken manure, for example drying and sterilization, burden mixing, granulation, cooling, and screening, measuring and cutting, and product storage. We hope in this top 10 profitable business ideas in poultry farming video will help you in initiating your own business. If you like in this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, friends. For more business ideas, find in our channel video playlist and subscribe to New Business Ideas.